What's the meaning of biofeedback? Biofeedback. Biofeedback.
Biofeedback. Biofeedback. Biofeedback is a technique that allows individuals to better understand and control their body's responses to various stimuli. By using monitoring devices, such as sensors or electrodes, individuals can receive real-time feedback about bodily functions such as heart rate, muscle tension, and skin temperature. This feedback can be used to help individuals learn how to recognize and control their body's responses in order to improve physical performance, reduce stress levels, and manage certain medical conditions. Biofeedback has been used in a variety of settings, including sports training, pain management, and anxiety treatment, and has shown promising results in helping individuals achieve greater physical and emotional well-being.